Welcome to the Thermo Capit-All Flex Automated Decapper unboxing and setup video. Today, we'll show you how to set up your new instrument so you can incorporate it into your applications quickly and easily. To begin, place the box on a flat surface. Open the box and remove the top foam support, setting accessories aside for now. Use the grab points at the front and back of the unit to carefully lift it and place it on your workbench. Please note that the unit weighs approximately 50 pounds, so you may need assistance. Now, take a look at the contents you set aside to ensure you've received a power cable, an RS-232 cable. The cap driver cassette for Thermo matrix and nunc tubes is already installed. Next, return to the device and connect the power cable to the AC adapter, then plug the 6-pin connector into the back of the unit. Once completed, plug the power cable into a wall outlet. Turn on the instrument using the switch on the back of the unit. At this point, the initialization process will automatically begin. After initialization is complete, remove the support foam from the stage. Please keep this foam in case you need to transport the instrument in the future. The Decapper is now ready for use. Thank you for watching the Thermo Capit-All Flex Automated Decapper unboxing and setup video. To learn more or get support, visit thermofisher.com/Capit-All Flex.